Hello, class 5. So since after your second unit is, you all have not joined the online classes. This is not good. So okay, after your second unit is, we have started chapter 5. Okay, from book 3. So which is the name of the chapter is division. So do you remember what is division? Divide, na? So you have got in class 3 also. Yes? Okay, let's recall them what we have learned in class 3. So what do you understand by divide? Okay, let's take a simple example. Suppose okay, a very simple, a common one. Let's take about rupees. Okay, you are brother and sister. Okay, so you are two of them, and an uncle come and they give you 10 rupees for both of you. So this 10 rupees you have to divide among two person, you and your sister. So now each one, how much they will get? How much you will get, each of you? So what you will do, you will divide 10 into two halves, right? So what does it mean? It will be 10 divided by 2. So now this 10 rupees, okay, let's make them into 10 sticks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 sticks. Now from among them, okay, we will divide equally into 2, right? We have to divide into 2. So what we will do, 1 1 2 3 4 5. Again from here, 1 2 3 4 5. So this 5 one of you will get, this 5 one of you will get. So each of you will get how much? 5 rupees, 5 rupees. So 10 divide 2 means 10 divide 2 is how much now? 10 divide 2, right? 10 divide 2, how much you get now? You have got 5. But do you see one thing, that 5 into 2, okay, 5 into 2 is how much? 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Yes, now you see in division, okay, or 2 into 5, the same thing. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. So 10 divide 2, it will means that from 2 how much you will multiply so that you will get 10. So this is a very simple trick you need to know, okay, the multiplication table. So from 2, okay, how much you have to multiply so that you will get 10. Then from 2 you need to multiply 5, then you will get 10. So basically 10 divide 2, it will mean that it is 10 divide 2 is 5. Clear? Got it? This much understood? Now in division, okay, let's take an example of this one. We have got dividend. Clear? The number which is to be divided is called dividend. So in our example we have got 10. Which one we have to divide, right? 10 divide 2. So this 10, okay, this 10 is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. So now this 2 is called the divisor because 2 is dividing 5 and we got 5. Yes, so this 5, the answer, okay, the answer that we get is called the quotient. And sometimes, okay, we also get remainder. Clear? So the excess one, that is called remainder. Now for example, let's take an example of 11 rupees, and you have to divide among of you, two of you. Clear? So now what we will do, this is the divide, this is 2, Now 2 5 ja 10. Yes, then now you have to subtract. Okay, now how much we got? 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So you see here, this is called, this is called, the one which is inside, this is called dividend. Okay, and this is the quotient. And this two, okay, the one which is outside, this is the divisor. And which one? Okay, the below one, this is called the remainder. So now you see how is the thing. Now 2 into 5, 2 divide 11 is 5 5. Among of you have divided 5 rupees 5 rupees, and after dividing equally among you, you have got 1 excess. Yes, that means 1 is the remainder. Got it now? So this thing, okay, you need to remember. So divide means, okay, from 2, what number you have to multiply so that you will get 11, or less than 11 you can write. That means the number that you should get, or less than the number. Now see, let's take an example here. You see here, 5 divide 36. 5 divide 36. Now 5 is a divisor. Now what we do, okay, 5 7 ja 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35. Now you see carefully here. In division, okay, first you have to look the first digit, okay, whether you can divide it or not. 5 and 3. So can you divide? No, because 5 is greater than 3. So now what you will do in the first step, you will take the half of the second digit. Now they become together. Okay, to be together they become how much now? 36. Then now you can divide. So 5 7 ja 35. So while writing, it should be just below the number, okay, align. So 5 should be just below 6 and 3 should be below 3. So now 5 7 ja 35, and now you have to, now after that what you have to do, you have to subtract. Subtract means minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So you need to write. So here in this question, how much we got? 5 divide 36 is, we got 7 in 7 as the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. So the number which is left after dividing is called the remainder. Okay, so now this 1 is left. Yes, so this is called the remainder. Okay, now let's proceed to the exercise. Where is your exercise? And again, one thing you need, one formula you need to remember is, where is it? Quotient into divisor. Okay, quotient into divisor plus remainder equal to dividend. What does it mean? Now you see here this. Okay, let's go to our example. What was there? 5 and 36. Yes, We got 5 7 ja 35. Now we got minus, then we got 1 as the remainder. So now you see 5 and 7. How much we got? We are multiplying. So this is the divisor. Yes. This is the quotient. Yes. And now you see how much 5 into 7 is 35. Yes. And we got the remainder 1. We got the remainder how much? 1. Now if you plus them with the remainder, okay, this is the remainder. Now if you plus, how much you will get? 5 plus 1, 6, 36. So do you get this or not? The dividend, getting 36, right? So this is the formula. Divisor, okay, divisor into quotient, quotient q, plus remainder, we get the dividend. Clear? This is the dividend. So the same way here also. Now you see 5 into 1, okay, we got how much? 5. 5 1 ja 5. Now 6 minus 5 will be, you got 1. Now after that 5 and 1 you cannot do, so bring down the next digit, that is 5. 5 comes down. Now 5 and now we have to do 5 and 13. So 5 3s are 15. Then after that you have to subtract. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Remainder how much? We got 0. Now checking the answer. What is in the quotient? We have got 13. What is in the remainder? We have, what is in the divisor? We have got 5. See here 5. And what is in the remainder? We have 0. Now 13 into 5 is how much? 65. Remainder 0. Yes or no? Similar? 65. Okay, these things we will do now in the exercise. Okay. Now before doing that, some of the properties let's learn. Any number which divide the number, it's which any number, okay, which divide by itself, it gives the quotient as 1. That means the result is 1. So the same way 2 divide 2 will be 1. So here 377 divide 377 is 1. 1089 divide 1089 is 1. That means it will give the answer 1. Okay. Then now what is the property 2? And any number if you divide by 1, clear, you will get the number itself. So see here 7132 divide 1, we got 7132. 4031 divide 1, you got 4031. And if you divide any number by 0, okay, 0 dividing any number, clear, you will get the answer as 0. Keep this in mind. And division and multiplication are interrelated, as you see here 9 into 8 equal to 72. Clear? Now 72 divide 8, okay, you will get 9, and 72 divide 9, you will get 8. Okay. Now let's go to the exercise. So what do we have? Write the division facts for each of the multiplication fact given below. Let me choose the black pen. Okay. Now let's write number 1. So what is this? 9 into 8 equal to 72. Number 1A. 9 into 8 equal to 72. So how will you write? You will write like this: 9 divide, not 9, it will be 72. Okay, 72 divide 8 will be 9. 72 divide 9, it will be 8. Clear? And again, what do we have in number B? We have got 6 into 5 equal to 30. So number B, 6 into 5 equal to 30. So now how you will write? 30 divide 6, it will be 5, and 30 divide 5 will be how much? It will give 6. So like this, okay, you have to do like this. All of them it will be similar, so up to it will be your homework. Clear? Then now we will do, I will show you question number 2. So what is there in question number 2? Divide the following, okay, write the quotient and remainder. So now here we have to divide. What is there? 367 divide 6. Okay, question number 2. A. 367 divide 6. So let's write down solution. So how it will be? 6 will be the divisor and 367 is the dividend. So 367 will be inside. Now we have to search a number. Okay, 6 and 3, can you divide? No, because 6 is greater, 3 is smaller. Now 3 will approach 6. 6, can we be together so that we can help this number 6? Then 6 will say, okay, yes, let's be together. Okay, let's help them. Let's help him. So now they become how much now? They become 36. Then now 6 and 36 will be how much? So 6 multiplied what number will be 36? So for that, go to the 6 table. So how is the 6 table? 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, then 6 3 is 18. Yes or no? Okay, let me write down your table. Let me write down the table. 6 into 1, no? 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, then 6 5 is 30, then 6 6 is 36. So do we get 36? See, we need 36, we got 6. So 6 is multiplied how much? By 6. So 6 6 is we need to write here. Okay, let me rub this one. Okay, this is no need now. So it will be 36. So now you minus them, how much you will get? 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now we have this number, right? So bring down this number 7. So here, okay? Then now 6 and 7 you have to multiply. So we cannot write the bigger of number, okay? But we can write the lesser number. So now go to the 6 table, whether you will get 7 or not. So you see here 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, and 6 2 is 12. So 12 is greater than 7. Yes, 12 is greater than 7, so we cannot go to 12. So what is there? We can write the less one. So the less one is 6, so it will be 6 1 ja 6. Then after that you have to subtract. So 7 minus 6 will be how much? 1. Okay. Now, which one is the quotient? This is the quotient and this is the remainder. So quotient, how much we got? We got 61 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So write down, therefore, okay, just below you write down, therefore quotient equal to 61 and then remainder equal to 1. Okay, so this is how you have to write. This is how you have to do the division. You have to search a number so that you can multiply. By what number it is multiplied, that you will get that number, and after that you have to subtract. Okay, you cannot write the bigger one, but you can write the less number one, smaller number you can write. Okay, if you don't get the exact number, na. So you see here we have, you see here we in we have got the exact, we have got the exact number here. Yes, but for 7 we didn't get the exact 7, so we can write the less number. So the less number one is 6, so we wrote this one, 6 1 just 6, and the remainder is 1. Is it clear to you? Yes. Okay, so will you be able to do by yourself now? Number 2, I will show you again one then. What is there? Which one I have also? I will show. Okay, let's do number G. Nah, that will be better. Okay, then the rest you have to do by yourself. Okay, number G. Let's go to number G. Okay, let me write down the equation. Ah, where is the black? Number G. So what is the equation? 651 divide 3. 651 divided by 3. So write down in solution. Then 651 is the dividend, the number which you need to divide, so it will be inside, and 3 is the divisor. Then now one upon another, okay, digit upon digit. So first digit is 6. So what number? Okay, you will get 6. 3 into what number you will get 6. So for that, go to the 3 table. What is there in 3 table? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Yes. So now you write down 2 in the quotient portion. 3 twos are 6. Now minus. Okay, let me rub this green one. Then 6 minus 6 is how much? It's 0. Then now after that bring this 5. Now you have to do this. Now you have to do 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. So again you have to go to the 3 table. Okay, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. You cannot write 6. So the lesser one is 3. So again it will be, so it will be 3 ones are okay. I need to use the black one, right? So 3 ones are 3. Okay, let me rub this green. 3 ones are 3. So then we have to subtract now. So 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Then after that 3, see here now, this 3 and this 2, can you divide? No, because the one which need to be divided is less, right? 2 is smaller than 3. So for now what you will do, of you cannot divide, so you have to bring this 1. Okay, bring down 1. Now it becomes 21. So 3 into what number you will get 21? Go to the 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, then 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. So do we get 21 now? We need 21. So by what is the number? This is 3, right? So 3 into 7 is 21. So what we need to now, we have to write what number we have to write in the quotient section. We have to write 7. 3 7s are 21. 7. So 3 7s are 21. So now you have to minus, subtract. So if you subtract, then how much you will get? You will get 0. Now how much is the quotient? The quotient is 217 and the remainder is 0. So therefore, write down, therefore quotient, quotient, quotient equal to how much? 217, and remainder is how much? Equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay, clear? So write down. Now the rest will be your homework. Okay, I have shown you question number 1 and question number 2 how you need to do, and the rest will be your homework, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp. And in the next class I will show you this number 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Okay, then write all this on your note, on your copy. Yes, write this on your copy, and then try to do the rest of the questions. Okay, then thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay.